How to enable picture in picture on YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To enable PIP in phone settings, you can easily launch settings app on your device. Scroll down. Now open apps. Tap app management, search for YouTube application and open its information page. Scroll down and you will see the option of picture in picture on this page. Tap on it and make sure to toggle the button on. This allows the application to create a picture in picture window while the app is open or after you leave it. You can even enable PIP in YouTube settings as well. For that, launch YouTube app. And you need to head towards your profile at bottom right corner. Tap your icon at top right corner of the screen. Tap on General. You need to locate the option of picture in picture and toggle the button on. Note that this requires a YouTube Premium subscription. Right now, I'm not the user of YouTube Premium subscription, that's why there is no such option. But if you have, you can toggle the button on. Alternative for non-premium user, you can play a video in YouTube, access your phone recent app or background apps menu. You can simply launch a particular video and then you can easily drag it to pop up or you can easily drag it to pop up view if supported by device, and then you can tap on the center icon and then the video will start playing in a small movable window while you use the YouTube application or even while you use other application as well. So in this way, we enable picture in picture mode on YouTube. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.